That's horrible.
You want about Ballsey, man? We're about to see Ballsey.
No, Ballsey's outside.
So go ahead.
So we got this place. We're staying at a cabin.
It's like a house.
Cabin.
Hola.
House, apartment.
Trees. There's a river back there.
We at least walked to the river. We haven't walked to the river.
I know, we still got to take some pictures of that. We got a neighbor that has a dog, and we don't know his name. He has a name tag on, but the dog has some big
epilepsy
personality. We turned around. So we've named him Ballsey because
he has big balls.
and he's a little dog.
I mean,
Where's he at?
What's happening?
I don't know, bro.
oh, dude.
I told you. Something happened here.
It's possessed.
Something happened.
Coronavirus.
Enter the password for your Apple ID. It is.
Jerome
I
23.
better not say that on.
Jerome 238.
Imagine it's like
There's
Native
Ballsey. She
American.
just said
Unable
Ballsey
to.
out.
Where did you? Hey, he knows we're home.
Oh, that's another puppy. Look.
Unable to go.
That's Ballsey, and then
Download
they have
song.
Call
Give
us,
me
Ballsey.
faith.
There's another puppy right there.
Here comes Ballsy. Ballsy!
Look at him, look at him, look at him. Let me turn around.
Get
Where's
him on
Ballsy?
camera.
Where's Ballsy? How did I turn around?
Dude, get him on camera.
Look. Here's Ballsy. Ballsy, what's happening, Ballsy? What's happening, buddy? What's happening, buddy? Look at those. Look at those balls. Look at that. Look at that.
Ballsy! What's up, Ballsy?
What's up, bro? How you doing, man? You sound like a little tea bag back there. Where you been, bro? Where you been? I don't know why it comes to me. I don't know.
All jokes aside,
Ballsy.
Ballsy's a great dog.
Ballsy, you are awesome. Awesome puppy.